हाय दोस्तों। आज पता नहीं मेरे को क्या हुआ। सुबह से मैं सोच रहा था व्लॉगिंग करना है और मैंने बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे ना पिछले हफ्ते में छोटे छोटे बोलते हैं ना अपन शॉर्ट्स भी लिए कि हाँ इस हफ्ते व्लॉगिंग करना है, इस हफ्ते डालना है वीडियो। और बहुत टाइम से सोच भी रहा था। बेसिकली पहले मैं डिस्क्लेमर दे दूँ कि ये वीडियो मैं किसी के लिए नहीं बना रहा। तुम लोग देखो मत देखो, मेरे को कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता इस वीडियो के लिए। ये वीडियो मैं सिर्फ मेरे लिए बना रहा है क्योंकि मेरे को अब एक स्टार्ट चाहिए और मेरे को चाहिए, मेरे को करना है, अब बस हो गया। तो ये हुआ शुरू कहाँ से पता है? एकदम सिंपल स्टोरी है, ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं है, इसको काट चट भी कर देगा मैं। शुरू ऐसा हुआ कि पिछले जब मैं नए कंपनी में लग रहा था, मतलब अभी मैंने नया कंपनी ज्वाइन किया है। पहले मैं कोई और कंपनी में जॉब करता था। तो वो कंपनी में जॉब करने के टाइम पे मेरा ऐसा होता था ना कि मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिलता था बिकॉज ऑफ नाइट शिफ्ट्स। तो वो मेरे मन में एक एक्सक्यूज़ था कि यस भी नहीं, यू आर डूइंग नाइट शिफ्ट सो यू कैन नॉट डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स, एडिटिंग स्टफ, शूटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग ऑन। So then after, when I was thinking about joining new company, that time I had a thought that after joining a new company I'll be working 9 to 5. I'll be in morning shift, so after that evening time will be free for me and I can do my stuffs like video editing or anything, because I have tried so many things like I have many kinds of different interests. And recently I understood by watching so many YouTube videos and so many talking to many friends that I am jack of all trades and ace of none. Like I'm doing everything, I can do everything, I am having potential, everyone told me, but still I am lacking somewhere. So from 6th December, that when I have joined new company, I was trying to find out that what I am missing, what I am not doing. So at the end today, after talking to so many people, talking about so many different kind of things, I understood that what I am lacking is only my doings. I am not doing anything, I am just thinking about. હું અહીંયા બોલું છું, કહું છું વિડીયો બનાવું છું, તો તમે વચમાં બોલો છો યાર. Yes. So where was I? Huh. See, this happens when you make videos at home. Yeah. So basically what I am trying to say here is, this is not for anyone. This is just for me, that I have to do it. I want to do it. But where I am lacking, that I am not just doing it. I am going out with my friends. I am having plenty of time to do all the stuff. Going out with my friends, doing time pass, having some chai with friends, and just doing time pass, roaming around, helping my friend in expanding his business, meeting friends and understanding that what are they doing in their life, how I can implement it. But I am gathering all these knowledges, hearing podcast about business and so many stuff. But what I am not doing is, I am not taking anything in action. Like from 6th December, when my job started, I went there, I met new people, and I was feeling like yes, something new is happening, but something is still lacking in me. I'm not capable, I'm not kind of capable, but you know what, I'm not just, you sometimes when you feel that everything is going fine, still you miss something. Like according to you, I'm having day shift, I'm having Saturday Sunday off. Company provides excellent services, pick and drop service, plus they offer us food. So all these things, everything is going nice, but still I am not, satisfied with it. So where that thing is missing, what is that thing? That's what I was finding from last 3 weeks. Today I understood that what I want to do and what I was doing is far way more different things. Like what you say, ऐसा कुछ होता है, पता है आपको करना है ड्राइविंग, लेकिन आप ओला में जॉब कर रहे हो. सो यू वांट टू बी अ रेसर, यू वांट टू बी you are crazy about driving cars, but still you are not happy when you are working for Ola. Getting my point? Where what I am trying to explain is कि ड्राइविंग आपको पसंद है, लाइक वो वाली ड्राइविंग करनी है आपको जो रेसर लोग करते हैं, लाइक भगाते हैं, सुसाट निकालते हैं, चेंजिंग गियर्स, ड्राइविंग, मतलब वो वाला फील चाहिए आपको. लेकिन आप नौकरी कर रहे हो ओला की, जहाँ पे कर आप ड्राइविंग ही रहे हो, बट इन अ सर्टन लिमिट, आपको टाइम देना है उतना, आपको ये करना है. सो वो आपके लिए सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है, जबकि आप वो चीज़ भी कर रहे हो जो आपको पसंद है. तो यहाँ पे तो मैं वो चीज़ कर रहा था, मुझे अकाउंट्स पसंद है, नो डाउट, आई लव अकाउंट्स, आई वांट टू डू अकाउंट्स, आई एम गुड विद डेबिट क्रेडिट एंड एवरीथिंग, with system, excel and all, but I'm still not happy with it. Why? Because I want to be this, like, not this is also like kind of at times I feel that no Vinay, you're not this. So now onwards I've decided, just fix something in your mind that yes, you want to do this thing, and then just do it. Don't think about it that you are not it. Like, I am recording this video now, after this I have to edit it, I have to do so many of cuttings, I have to add music, I have to jot down all the points which are important. So at the end of when video will get upload, when you are watching it, and still at the start I have told you that it's not for you, it's me, that when I'll watch it, I am making this video just to remind Vinay and so many other like Vinay who are just stuck at point, they want to do so many things but they are not capable of doing it just because they are not doing it. So there is nothing that's stopping me, right? No one's telling me that Vinay, don't make videos. I can make these kind of videos, right? No one's stopping me. YouTube is not allowed. YouTube has not told that you can't make your own videos and you can upload it, or this kind of videos I can't make, this will get copyright. No one is stopping me. But the only thing was stopping me was my own thoughts. I am gathering all this knowledge about how to upload video, how to prepare video, how to edit video, how to give captions, how to make audience engagement, and so many other things. But after gathering all those knowledge, if I am not applying it, there is no use of this knowledge. It will be just, I'll cover so many topics now onwards that every night or every time whenever I will get some kind of free time or this thing, I will be here only, I'm sitting in this same place and I'll just talk like this, nothing else. Like, if I am not getting time to prepare vlogs just because of job or any XYZ excuse which I give myself, otherwise I can do it. But yes, just because of those excuses, if I am not able to prepare videos of vlogging, I'll just prepare like this videos and I'll discuss single topics which you guys provide. Like, for example, any topic, I'll put my views on it, then you can comment, or we can have one-on-one discussions on those topics. So I'm just requesting all of you that I'm so sorry I have not consistently uploaded videos from September or before, but from now onward I am promising myself that at least I'll try to upload a video per week, like per video per week. I have taken this as a target, and I have to be disciplined in this system. Like, today so many points my friend discussed with me. I can reveal his name, but that will be not fair to my entire group. Like, everyone has told me this from start, from so many times, that Vinay, be consistent in one thing. Like, you are good at everything but you are not best at anything, you are not expert of anything. So from now I have to be expert of one thing, no doubt. Let it be just video making. I want to be at best, like whatever the content I provide, whatever the videos I make. So I still don't know that where I'll be the best. Recently when I started this video or YouTube journey, like in recently 2021, at that time I was thinking, like, I write poems, I write shairis, everyone knows that. But at that time I was thinking, okay, I'll start two channels, one will be Dombivli Kirva and another one will be Katwa Tales. So there on Katwa Tales I'll post my shairis and all, and here I will upload my vlogs. So I have prepared some vlogs, how to vlog, and a few videos of Dombivli Kirva you might have watched. So if you have not watched, all the links are in description. But yes, so this whole point, I was just like suddenly stopped, and after that I was into some other thing. No doubt there also I was productive, but something was lacking still, that I was not me. I have enjoyed those 3 months, no doubt, but at the end of the day some point was missing. I don't know what, still I am trying to find, and right now also I don't know what I'm going to do. Like, I have thought that I will prepare videos while I'm learning more guitar. Like right now I know the beginner guitar steps, like basic chords and all, and I can play and I can just जमा सकता है एक महफिल. बट दैट्स नॉट इट ना. मतलब बहुत कुछ है सीखने के लिए गिटार में, सिर्फ 2-4 कॉर्ड्स आ गए तो नहीं होता. Same thing goes with skateboard. I was inspired by Casey Neistat, obviously many of people knows him. सो वो स्केटबोर्ड पे व्लॉग्स बनाते, तो मेरा ऐसा विचार था कि चलो उनको कॉपी करते. और मैंने ये सुना है, फेक इट अंटिल यू मेक इट. सो नकल में भी अकल लगा सकते हो, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसमें, नकल कर सकते हैं हम. बट इट्स जस्ट कि करते रहना चाहिए हमें. तो वो अब आज से मुझे स्टार्ट करना. मैं कुछ भी करते रहूँगा, लेकिन करते रहूँगा और अपलोड करते रहूँगा. सो जस्ट आप लोग का सपोर्ट चाहिए, जैसा भी आप लोग दो सको. मेरे को आज के तारीख में 50 व्यूज़ आते तो भी मैं खुश है. कल को मेरे को भी अगर 50 व्यूज़ आ रहे तो भी मैं खुश रहना, क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा चाहिए अब कि मैं अब वो चीज़ कंटिन्यूसली करूँ. क्योंकि नाउ इट्स हाई टाइम. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, रिमेंबर दिस थिंग माई फ्रेंड. नाउ इट्स हाई टाइम एंड दैट थिंग हैव हिट मी. और आज सुबह से मेरे को सारे जो भी मेरे सराउंडिंग्स थे, नेचर साइनर से, सब लोग ने यही बोला कि नाउ इट्स हाई टाइम, सो जस्ट डू इट. जय हिंद, जय डोंबिवली, जय महाराष्ट्र.